Today, it's a court hearing for the controversial Pueblo needle exchange ban. Our Brett Forrest, you've been tracking this story for months now, reporting some stuff that's new this morning about possible deaths that may be linked to this ban.
Every good morning. If you recall, I ran an investigation into this needle exchange ban earlier this summer, and during the course of that investigation, I was told that there were reports of overdose deaths and needle sharing in the brief 2-week period that Pueblo's 2 needle exchange programs were not allowed to operate. Now, this morning, ahead of that court hearing, I'm bringing you what I learned while investigating these claims.
We did hear some self-reporting of people in the 2 weeks that we were closed that they were sharing needles and they were reusing needles, which can be extremely dangerous.
That's Jude Solano. She's the co-founder and CEO of Southern Colorado Harm Reduction, one of the 2 organizations that provide syringe exchange programs in Pueblo. City Council voted to ban those programs on May 13th, with the ordinance taking effect days later. The ACLU of Colorado challenged the ban, successfully getting a temporary restraining order on June 6th. This ruling allowed the exchange programs to operate once again. But during that legal process, Solano says they shut down their program for 2 weeks, with significant ramifications.
We also had reported 3 deaths from overdose in that time frame. So it's been very impactful and very difficult.
Solano also provided me a statement from a lead peer support specialist, saying when the ban was in effect, a lot of clients stated they were having to save a lot of their friends. At least a handful of people overdosed, and a total of 12 people who had to reuse or share needles. In order to investigate the claim that people overdosed in that time frame, I reached out to the Pueblo County Coroner's Office. Autopsy reports from May 13th until June 6th reveal 2 people did die from overdose in Pueblo County, with a 3rd overdose death occurring days later on June 10th. However, due to patient confidentiality, Southern Colorado Harm Reduction could not confirm if these deaths were their clients.
People really don't understand the work we do and why we do it.
Now, with operations back up after the ACLU lawsuit, all parties are waiting to see what happens.
We hope that the judge sees it our way and enters an injunction prohibiting Pueblo from trying to criminalize these public health programs.
Now, the injunction hearing today could also lead to the ban being reinstated, or it could continue to a trial. The city of Pueblo has no comment for me this morning. That court hearing this afternoon at 1:30. We'll, of course, keep you updated with how the judge rules.
All right. Thank